A title card introduces the topic, Budgeting 101, How to Create a Budget That Works. A brief animation sequence precedes the main content. The introduction includes a verbal welcome and a call to action. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how to spend money. Tracking income and expenses is essential to ensure spending does not exceed earnings. Effective budgeting aids in achieving financial goals. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. Income includes all sources of money received, such as salary, wages, and investments. Regular income streams should be accounted for when determining total income. Expense tracking involves recording all expenditures, including rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or notebooks can be used to effectively monitor spending. Consistent expense tracking provides insights into spending habits and areas for potential savings. Expenses can be categorized into two primary types: fixed and variable costs. Fixed expenses remain consistent each month, such as rent or loan payments. Variable expenses fluctuate from month to month, including expenses like groceries, gas, and entertainment. Budget creation involves allocating income to cover expenses. Prioritize essential expenses such as housing, food, and transportation when budgeting. Allocate funds for discretionary spending and savings after covering essential expenses. After creating a budget, track actual spending against the planned budget. Tracking spending helps identify areas of overspending. Identifying overspending allows for adjustments to stay on track with the budget. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to maintain financial stability. Life changes, such as a new job, may require adjustments to your budget. Unexpected expenses necessitate modifying the budget to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Subscribing for more financial tips can provide ongoing support for effective budget management.